one of these Nautica home fans over here. There's also another fan in there. It's like a Kichler. Oh, it's a little noisy. Hear that? Sounds a little noisy. Yeah, so guys, I'm not gonna be, there's this fan in the living room right here. This is a fan, like one of those fans that like comes on like when you turn the thing on, but sadly I can't show it on because I don't really know where the remote is, because apparently it doesn't work, and they don't know where the remote's at, so they can't use it, so. Ow. Now they have one of these Nautica home fans here. It's less noisier on high.